How to open RAR files on iPhone. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. Now, you don't need any third-party apps for this to do. You can just simply do it inside your Files app. It is right over here. Once you have downloaded a RAR file, which I have right here in the middle of my screen, as you can see, then when I click on it, it just doesn't really do anything. It doesn't really recognize the file. You can't open it up, blah, blah, blah. Now at the bottom here, I actually have a zip file, and when I click on the zip file, it just opens it up just like that, like it extracts it perfectly. But for the RAR file, that isn't the case. Now, can we actually fix that? Simply long hold the RAR file, click on rename, and then you want to go all the way to the end and change the .rar to .zip. Now then if you click on here, it says change file extension from .rar to .zip, use .zip. And there we go, it now changed to this zip logo, and we can now click on here and it will extract it just like that easily. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.